Green onions have a combination of the benefits of onions and leafy greens. They are an excellent source of powerful antioxidant, vitamins, and minerals, which help to regulate the immune system, tissue repair, collagen production, and protect your cells against damages. Today we will make a healthy breakfast recipe with green onions in just 10 minutes. Try this recipe at home, and you won't regret. If you are first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more healthy recipes. Let's start. Take 250 grams green onions. Wash and remove the uneven lower part. Now chop them into 1 inch. Put them in a bowl and add 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 green chili chopped, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, a half teaspoon cumin powder, a half teaspoon black pepper, chopped parsley as much as you like, and salt as your taste. Now mix all the ingredients together. In a fry pan, add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, or you can use any kind of cooking oil. Spread the oil across the pan. Pour the mixture and spread evenly. Cover and let it cook on a medium-low heat for about 2 or 3 minutes. Now flip very carefully and cook for another 2 minutes with the lid on. Your perfect healthy breakfast is ready to serve. Cut into pieces and enjoy with your favorite sauce. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more healthy recipes.